Abba agambye mwe mwenna balowooza mbu ye ne taata we tebakwatagana mbu era teboogera bukyanga ng'akola vidiyo eri. Mukwano abakakasizza nti bo boogera era we yatuuka wano just nti ekizibu ekyaliwo nga womanyi nti ng'omuntu avudde mu nsi endala n'adda mu ndala layini yagenda n'ebeera ng'ate evaako for some period of time, but then after yaddako era ne beweereza message n'azibalaga n'ozibalaga. Naye nga mukwano nkwaniriza ku Patricia's latest. This is Trisha here. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tap the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos on my channel.
My dad's doing good. I've been talking to him very frequently. His SIM card was off, so that was a misunderstanding. I thought he was just, like he just didn't want to speak to nobody, but when he came here, his line stopped working, so. But I love my dad. Do I love my dad? For sure, I do. Y'all want to see how much I love my dad? Let me show y'all. I do love my dad. I love my dad. I was talking to him. All right, Derek, you mod. All right. But I love my dad. I was talking to him yesterday. He bought my little sister a present. He bought my little sister a play doll house. This is what I told him. I said I would never ask for any father. I'm so proud of you from the bottom of my heart. Then he said, thanks, Abba. I love you too. And I'm always with you, my son. Nothing has ever changed. And that's all that matters to me. So whoever thinks me and my dad got friction, but we're gonna have a stream with my dad, and we're gonna make a song on live. We're gonna be recording songs on live. What do you guys think about the idea? Y'all wanna see me and my dad make songs on live? Guess right here, like right next to me. Right now he's not in the moods to, still recovering. But we're gonna make a song on live later this month.
So Abba bw'atyo ate bw'abategeezezza nti ayogera ne taata we era mwena babadde baagala owakana abalowooza nti tayogera naye mulabika ate nga kibalidde. Naye nga mukwano nkujjukiza nti teweerabira kubanga osubscribinga, olikinga n'okusharinga, tapping a notification bell obeere nga ate ogetinga notified buli lwe nteekayo video empya. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.